She seems to be doing very well since we arrived on Saturday. She's become progressively more active. We think she's very aware of her surroundings now, and of course she's been eating very well this whole time. We're starting to change her diet just a little bit. These guys are squid eaters, and so we've added squid into her diet, and she's just she's very interactive with her caretaker. She's doing very, very well. This is a self-contained facility where we can screen for any infectious diseases she may be carrying. So we are waiting on a couple of tests to come back for us. Hopefully we'll have those results in soon and they'll be negative, and then we can move forward with a transfer, a short drive over to our animal husbandry pools in some of the back areas of the park. And then she can be introduced to a bottlenose dolphin or two and have some companionship.